Welcome to Our India News Hour. The global digital twin market is projected to grow in double digits. The global digital twin market stood at $5.715 billion in 2020 and is projected to grow with a CAGR of 33.28% during the forecast period 2022 to 2026. Meanwhile, other consultancies and system integration leaders expanded their respective digital twins practices to improve product development, manufacturing, and supply chains. Lessons from these early implementations are helping to shape best practices that will allow more enterprises to succeed in 2022. Most digital twin efforts focus on the physical aspects of things in the real world, such as how they are built and how they will respond to the physical environment. New digital twin APIs provide standard ways to communicate with and control equipment made by different manufacturers. The manufacturing industry is considered one of the major revenue-generating industries around the globe. Increasing awareness about the benefits of using automation technology and integrating novel technologies like cloud computing and analytics, machine learning, artificial intelligence, blockchain in the production process to amplify the production volume is fueling the adoption of digital twin technology in the manufacturing industry. New age technologies used in robotics, advanced sensors, and the use of embedded software is aiming at the collection of real-time data to allow analyzing and monitoring of data to make smart decisions during the production process are proliferating the adoption of digital twin technology in the manufacturing industries. Advancements in the field of virtual reality and augmented reality and the rise in the adoption of digital twin technology in the supply chain management is expected to boost the demand for the global digital twin market. On the basis of regional analysis, the Asia-Pacific region is expected to witness the fastest incremental growth in the next 5 years. High internet penetration and the increase of advanced consumer electronic devices in the regions are fueling the demand for the implementation of advanced technologies to boost the sales for the production. Favorable government policies of developing countries like India aiming to strengthen the ICT infrastructure and undertaking initiatives to accelerate digital transformation and construction of smart cities is expected to create significant growth opportunities for the digital twin market in the regions. Development of the digital healthcare system to magnify the living standards and offer quality healthcare services are bolstering the adoption of the digital twin technology in the healthcare sector. Let's look into today's headlines in Our India. India Tech writes to Finance Minister to clarify crypto tax rules in budget. India Tech, an industry association representing consumer internet startup, has written to Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman seeking clarity on crypto taxation in Union Budget 2022 to 23. India Tech has requested the government to alter existing tax laws to include crypto assets and sought clarity on the method of taxation and their disclosures. The letter comes against the backdrop of a much-delayed Cryptocurrency Bill 2021, which was to be introduced in the recently concluded winter session of the Parliament. Ransomware attack affects thousands of school websites globally. Hackers have attacked an education technology company, Finalsite, shutting down thousands of school websites and nearly 5,000 alone in the US. Earlier this week, at least 8,000 schools globally hosted by Finalsite discovered that they were facing availability issues or displayed errors. Finalsite provides school districts with website design, hosting, and content management solutions. Eaton acquires Royal Power Solutions. Eaton has acquired electrical and power component company Royal Power Solutions for $600 million. Royal Power Solutions designs and manufactures power equipment including battery terminals, eyelet terminals, fuse components and LED frames. The company has approximately 450 employees and manufacturing facilities in Carroll Stream, Illinois and Querétaro, Mexico, along with a sales and engineering office in Canton, Michigan. Microsoft promoting the development of SaaS superpowers. With a customer base of approximately 2 billion, Indian SaaS enterprises have the potential to unlock a $1 trillion opportunity by 2030, accelerating the economy and expanding employment opportunities by bringing in foreign exchange revenue and more. Microsoft is collaborating with startups by providing cutting-edge tech tools, extending global reach for their offerings, and skilling for their following milestones with the belief that India has the potential to become a SaaS superpower. Microsoft has a dedicated team of engineers to create and scale new and existing solutions for empowering startups, focusing on innovation and a strong partner ecosystem. Urjit Patel appointed as the VP of AIIB. Former Reserve Bank of India Governor Urjit Patel has been appointed the Vice President of the Beijing-based Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. Patel will serve a 3-year term as one of the Multilateral Development Bank's 5 vice presidents and will take the place of former Gujarat Chief Secretary D.J. Pandian, who had been as vice president leading the AIIB's investment operations and all sovereign and non-sovereign lending in South and Southeast Asia. India is a founding member of AIIB with the second highest voting share after China, headed by former Chinese Vice Minister for Finance Ding Liqun. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India News Magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.